Let's just say you're looking for a small cabin, 2-bed, 1-bath, move-in ready. This one here is an excellent choice. Let's walk inside. I love it because you got that little 6-foot by 8-foot front porch. See that? Little 6 by 8 front porch. We can make the porch bigger if you want to pay for a bigger porch kit. And then you got your D-log siding and your 40-year 26 gauge metal roof, double pane windows. Let's take you inside and show you this pretty cabin real quick. There's your little porch. Okay, you walk inside and voila. Again, you got your beautiful knotty pine. We painted this wall here and just to give it a little accent wall, but it is the knotty pine underneath of it. So we got a couple accent walls for knotty pine. And then you got your regular knotty pine here. So kind of break up the wood a little bit. Okay, you go back here, you got a bedroom here where you could easily put a bunk bed for the kiddos, or this will fit a full or queen bed. So there's bedroom number 1. You got your mini split back there for your heating and cooling. You got a spot here for your stove, microwave. There's your beautiful kitchen cabinets. Over here you got a spot for your dishwasher, right? And then as you go down the hallway, you got your tub, toilet, and sink. That's a full tub. Put your mirror back there. Come on down. You got your stackable washer and dryer connections over here. Like I said, everything you need. And then you got another mini split here. Natural light there, closet. There's your 200 amp electrical panel. And then you open this closet, use part of it as a closet and part of it, we can either do a tankless water heater if you want more closet space, or put a full-blown water heater in there. So again, if you're looking for a RV park model, this is a beautiful one. Give us a call and let's make it happen. Okay, we call this one the El Poco Loco. 2-bed, 1-bath. We can also do it as a 1-bed, 1-bath. Okay, just a beautiful Amish built cabin. This one you can get for $79,900. So right under $80K. You can come pick it up yourself or arrange for us to ship it to you. Again, $79,900 is the price of this one, fully loaded. As far as, you know, like what you see here. So it comes with your mini splits for heating and cooling, your water heater, and just like what you see here, ready to roll. You just put your appliances in it and you're off and running. Or you can pay a little extra, we'll put the appliances in it for you. Okay, y'all have a blessed day. Come back and see us, AmishBuiltCabins.com. The phone number is 1-800-513-1675. Again, that's 1-800-513-1675.